Have you ever been running out of time and you have a wedding to attend and you cannot get a makeup artist in an instant? Well, my friend, I got you covered. Today, I'm here with a new tutorial. I'm going to show you a beginner eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to do it. And I really hope it's going to improve your eyeshadow game. So have fun! Mwah!
I am using my James Charles palette and I am going to use a lighter yellow shade. I'm applying it on my eyelids to clean off my eyelids and remove any darkness on them. And then I'm going to take the darker maroon shade and apply it on the corners of my lid. You can note the movement of my brush right there. That helps to blend nicely the eyeshadow on my eyelids. Now I'm using a lighter maroon shade, applying it with the same movement of my brush, and I'm going to apply it to the middle of my eyelids. In order to achieve the perfect smoky eye effect, I'm going to use my black eyeshadow and apply it on the corners of the lids, following the same movements. And then I'm going to use my lighter yellow shade and I'm going to apply it at the center of my lid. I'm going to use a method of patting at the center of my lid. Lastly, I'm going to use my Habibi eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use the golden glitter color, and I'm going to use my finger to spread through the eyeshadow. And this eyeshadow is very nice. As you can see, it is very soft as it spreads evenly throughout my eyelid. And just applying it through to have that more gold glittery effect on my eyelids, and finishing up throughout by blending everything all together. So just a reminder, if you have watched my video this far, do not forget to like. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment down below, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I'm going to put my lashes on. Voila, here's the final look, guys. Thank you, Fab Squad, for watching. Toodles.